What if the secret to stronger blooms is something you've been throwing away without a second thought? Early spring is when plants quietly prepare for their biggest growth phase, and the right natural feed can wake them up from the roots. Today, I'll show you a simple, time-tested way to nourish your flowering plants using eggshell powder. This natural ingredient is rich in calcium, which strengthens cell walls and supports steady growth. It also contains trace minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium that help improve nutrient absorption and boost flowering. Start by collecting eggshells, rinse them well, and let them dry completely. Once dry, grind them into a fine powder. The finer the texture, the easier it is for the soil to absorb the nutrients. You can store this powder for months and use it whenever your plants need a gentle boost. There are a few easy ways to apply it. When transplanting, mix 1 tablespoon of powder into each liter of soil to support root development from the beginning. For existing plants, gently remove the top layer of soil. Sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons around the base. Loosen the soil slightly and cover it back. Water lightly to help nutrients settle into the root zone. You can also make a liquid feed. Add 1 tablespoon of the powder to 1 liter of hot water. Let it cool. Then use the clear liquid to water your plants at the roots. This helps deliver nutrients more quickly. Try this simple method and you may notice healthier leaves, stronger roots, and more vibrant blooms. Give your plants this quiet boost and watch how they respond.